Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for this not rice pudding, it's like one of those desserts that like seriously couldn't be any easier. So I've just got half a cup of cottage cheese, there, low-fat cottage cheese, and then I'm going to pop in a couple of tablespoons of, this is actually my neighbor Adela's apple cinnamon sauce. So just kind of give it a bit of a stir. And then, and actually, so if you want, sometimes I actually add a couple of drops of vanilla extract to the cottage cheese, or you can, if you wanted a bit of maple syrup or honey, you could sweeten it if you like, but I find the apple sauce is enough for me. And then I'm just going to break up a handful of walnuts into little chunks, and dessert is ready. But you could use like apple and walnuts works really well, but you could use any fruit, like any berries, or if you wanted fresh dates, like anything to sweeten. And yeah, same with the nuts. Like you don't have to have nuts, but I really like walnuts and apples together. But almonds, pecans, macadamias, whatever you've got, pine nuts, it's all good. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.